Welcome to the Process Flows Alchemy Human Resources demonstration. Today we'll be looking at how different types of HR documents can be classified, indexed and archived. Using Alchemy Productivity Suite, we can index and archive many different file formats, including image files such as PDF, TIFF and Microsoft Office documents. We will also demonstrate how Productivity Suite can be used in the HR process of ensuring all required documents from new starters have been collected. We will show how a report can be generated for any new starter that has required documents missing. There are many different methods of archiving documents to an Alchemy database. In this example, we will show how documents can be sent to the indexing client by creating a shortcut in the Windows context menu, then by right-clicking a document located anywhere within a company's file system. Other methods include automated imports from hot folders when scanning using a multifunctional device, and dragging and dropping electronic files such as emails straight into an Alchemy database. The document is presented to the user to classify and index. Full-page optical character recognition has been run on the document at the point of displaying the document in the client window. The user can then use the mouse to select text on the page that is then used to populate a profile field. In this example, we are indexing the employee name field. The profile field is linked to an external HR database that includes employees' names. This will result in the employee name being highlighted on the page so the user can find it quickly. An SQL lookup can also be performed to fill out profile fields based on the data entered. Here, employee name is used to populate employee number, department, and date of birth. Next, we index the document type field. Again, this is using a lookup table. By using dynamic indexing, the available options for sub-document types are dependent on the option selected for the document type. The document is then submitted to the Alchemy database, where it is automatically filed into the employee's electronic folder. When a HR department processes a new starter, there is typically a list of documents they must receive before an employee can start work. These would include a signed contract, a copy of a driver's license, and the new starter's bank details. Rules can be created within the Productivity Suite server that look in each new starter's folder within the Alchemy database to ensure that it contains a complete set of required documents. If documents are missing, a report can be automatically generated and sent via email to a user or group of users that contains links to the folders. When an employee leaves the company, their employee folder can be archived to a separate database. Productivity Suite server can monitor the documents in an Alchemy database and take action on documents that have reached a particular age. First, you must define how long your retention plan is, in this case 7 years, and what triggers the 7-year timer. In this example, it is employee leaving date. Documents can either be deleted after the retention period expires or archived to a separate Alchemy database. There can be a number of reasons, including legal, that will determine why a document must be stored for an additional period. If you do not want your retention plan to execute automatically, a list of employee folders can be emailed in a report to a user or user group when they are approaching the end of their retention period. The user can then review the document and select to save, move, or delete it when the retention period expires by updating a profile field. Security can be configured so each user only has access to specific folders within the Alchemy database and authenticates through Active Directory. Every action taken on a document is securely logged so you can see which user has viewed, edited, and deleted a document. That completes the demonstration. Thank you very much for your time.